Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square Invoices for getting paid faster as a contractor step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Square Invoices into the search bar. Click on the official Square website link. Once on the home page, hover over the Products tab in the top menu. Select Invoices from the drop-down menu. On the Invoices page, click the Get Started for Free button. You will be directed to create a Square account. Fill in your email address and a secure password. Click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your business information. Provide your business name and address. Select your business type from the available options. After entering all required information, click Continue. Next, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Square website to complete your setup. Log in using your email and password. You will then enter the Square dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Invoices section. Here, you can start creating your first invoice. Click on Create Invoice. Fill in the customer details, including name and email address. Add items or services by clicking on the Add Item button. Enter the description, quantity, and price for each item. You can also apply discounts if necessary. Review all details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once finished, click the Send button to email the invoice to your client. You can also preview the invoice before sending. Square allows clients to pay directly through the invoice. Payments are usually processed quickly, helping you get paid faster. If you need to track invoices, return to the Invoices section in the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.